or less. Tonight, south winds 5 to 10 knots.
It sounds very like 1900.
Sunday,
it is.
5 to 10 knots.
1970.
It's also very dystopian. Like, apocalypse has hit. Now I have to listen for apocalypse
It's like I literally
news.
thought it was like 2012, and like that guy, the crazy guy, he's like, you gotta know the world is coming, and he's butt naked. That's
Gross. Oh wait, there's more. But wait, there's more. But wait, that's it. That's all I got.
Dude, I literally last night when we got here, I kept thinking of Queso's games.
Oh,
And like, because like they're always in the woods, and it's like someone's gonna come up from the woods.
Well, I kept hearing footsteps like along the way.
Yeah. That's Shakira.
So finicky. Look at that.
Do you think it's the
I think it's my own frequency. Watch, every time I take my hand away.
Wait, hold on. Do I not have any? Hold on. Get out.
Ah, your frequency lifts. I'm music, man. My superpower is music.
Bro, what?
I don't know why I thought to do my
Because
head,
of your car keys.
Because of my car keys. Yeah. What if I'm like a superhero and like electromagnetic can like shoot lightning out of my fingertips?
Oh, that's why it doesn't work.
Are you debunking my superhero powers?
No, you're an electric Pokemon, and I'm a nature or water Pokemon.
So.
There's people who are like...
Maybe they can make it go in a long line.
Uh-huh.
My aunt used to, no, not my aunt, my cousin.
Or make it like squirrel.
Yeah. It's too windy out here. Or maybe I just can't do it. For me trying to find excuses as to why it won't work. Yeah, it's just too windy.
No, but mine always does this thing where it's like...
Oh, where it starts to spiral? It is doing that, wow. It was doing that. What are you talking about?
You know what I'm saying? No. You can have a shot.
Yeah. You got them.
I ate your donut.
I gave you all my last thing. Me giving you all the last of my things. How could you not have noticed? That was so obvious.
No, I know. Unless I thought it was already mine to begin with.
So what about my donut? Is that already
ate
yours?
it. It was already mine once I ate it.
My coffee yesterday from Pliables.
That was yours.
Okay. My last melon bar that you didn't even know was my last melon bar, but you had anyway.
I didn't know it was your last.
It was funny because I was like every day that I had it up to that day, I offered you one. You're like, no. And it's my last one. You're like, ooh. And I'm like, fuck, of course, it's my last one.
I really like this one.
I like that one too.
Oh, and look at the lightning. Or not lightning, yeah, through the clouds. I would love to do a painting like this one.
If it was on sale.
Wide leg. Wide leg. Oh, that works too. Calcified. Oh shit.
Careful now. Bye.